Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through installing HDO Box on your Android TV, enabling you to stream your favorite content seamlessly. So now let's get started. So first we need to allow your Android TV to install apps from unknown sources. To do this, navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions, Unknown Sources, and enable it for the app you will use to download HDO Box, such as a web browser or file manager. Next, if you don't have a file manager or web browser installed, download one from the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Popular options include Downloader or File Commander. Now open the web browser or file manager and navigate to the HDO Box official website. Here you will find the download link for the Android TV version of the app. Next, click on the download link to start downloading the HDO Box APK file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your device's downloads folder. Open the downloaded APK file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. And once installed, you can find HDO Box in your list of applications. Next is open HDO Box, browse through the available content, and start streaming your favorite movies and TV shows directly on your Android TV. And that is how you install HDO Box on your Android TV. Now if you found this video helpful, just leave a like and subscribe.